In this one, I'm going to show you how to set up a ProT user, a ProTracker user. There's a difference between users and employees. So here's the user menu and here's the employee menu. The difference is a ProT user has a login to the web application. You see here there's a website. This is a web app or web application, whereas the employees can only log into the mobile application from their mobile device. The web app is also known as dashboards. So these are all dashboards. Okay, so let's set up somebody as a user. We're going to the user dashboard. The first thing I'm going to do is look for this person to make sure they're not already set up. We're going to set up Jason Roberts. Don't see him. So what I'm going to do is click this icon, the action icon, add user. So the user name, as it shows here, is an email address. It has to be an email address. So what I'm doing is going to my Gmail, and I'm going to find this person, and I'm just going to cut and paste his email address. So there it is, and now I have to give him a password. It can be anything, but it is case sensitive. So I'm just going to put in PW2020. This is what I set up for everyone, PW2020. And then it's up to them to go in through this area here and change their password. Otherwise, everybody's going to have the same password. So it's very important that you go in there and change your password. So you see that these have asterisks, however you pronounce that. So that means these are required fields. Those are populated. The next one is the role. He's a project manager, so I'll click that. And the next one, the final one, is his name. So that's all filled out. The other stuff is optional, so I'm going to, at this point, click Submit. And it says that he was added successfully. Now, that's only part of it, because right now, if Jason logs, I'm sorry, I keep saying Jason. If Jordan logs in, he will not be able to see any jobs, so you have to assign him to a job. There's a couple of ways you can do that. Since we're still on the user dashboard, let me find him, Jordan, and I'll click this pencil to edit. And when I scroll down, I see there's assigned jobs on the left and assigned work orders on the right. So here, these are all the jobs for this division. I'll scroll down, and I can see that he's not assigned to any job. I could just click here and assign him to that job, and then click Submit. And then when Jordan logs in, he would see that job. Or I can do it this way. I can go to the Jobs dashboard, edit a job, and scroll down to the bottom where we have the user list. And I can see that he is not already assigned here, so what I could do is just select him from the list. And there he is. He comes over with his own email distribution defaults. At this point, I can modify it as I need to. And then I would click Update. Now again, to change your password, you just click here and reset password, and it'll walk you through that process. Very simple. And that's all there is to it.